You are different from you. And you are trying to forget about work, while you are working late again. And you miss your kids. And you miss the waves. And you can't believe what you just saw. And you need to laugh. And you need to cry. And you just can't get her out of your mind. While you just want to know if he's okay. But you need a place to eat. So you stop and listen to that band you saw that time near that place. While you let everyone know you're almost there. And you want to share. And you want to think. And you are trying to remember. And you are trying to forget. And you've come to realize that you don't need to get a phone. You need a phone that gets you. And you. And you. And we are HTC.